welcome to my channel. I am Shikha Srivastava and today I am back again to share with you all few parenting tips on how to manage your children during this COVID-19 lockdown. As we all are aware that coronavirus disease pandemic has upended family life, not only in India but across the globe. School closures, working remote, physical distancing, there is a lot to navigate for anyone, especially for the parents to manage their children constructively is challenging, is even more challenging in such challenging times. And as a working parent, I have had my own share of challenges all these years, and during this pandemic, they are not less. I would say that they are more now. But since we are aware about the situation, it is only we who can build the camaraderie with our children during such times. So here I am going to share a few tips on how to manage the time with your children in a more constructive and creative way. The first tip is talking about COVID-19. Be willing to talk to your children about this disease. Secrets and silence do not protect your children. Honesty and openness do. They might have heard something about the disease earlier. They might have few questions they will put up to you. Try to answer these questions with truthfulness and honesty. Few questions you do not know the answers about, there is no harm in that. This is an opportunity for both of you to work hand in hand to find out the answers of those questions. Also try to make your children learn that this disease has nothing to do with somebody's language, culture, origin or color. Tell them to be compassionate about the people, those who are working up front, those who are working in the front line, like the doctors, nurses, all the cleanliness staff, those who are serving, those who are caring these coronavirus patients, and be compassionate towards the coronavirus patients as well. The second tip is one-on-one time during COVID-19. Can't go to work, schools are closed, worried about money, very normal to get stressed and overwhelmed. School shutdown is also the best time for the parents to build a relationship with their children and teenager. Just try to keep aside some time, it can be 20 minutes every day, to have a heart-to-heart conversation with your children. 20 minutes for each child. The time should be the same each day so that your children and teenagers will look forward to it. So during this one-on-one time with your children, you can be age specific, and according to the age of your children, you can just talk with them and you can just do number of activities with them. With your teenagers, you can just talk about the aspirations and the goals and what do they want to do as soon as the lockdown will get over, and what will be the next plan as soon as the school will begin. You can just work around with them in their project work, in their homework. If they have taken some online course, you can also talk about that how are they going to go about and what are the future plans, how are they going to use these online courses into their studies. With your young children, you can always narrate a story, and you can tell them to enact any story or any character, or just draw and paint or do some art and craft work, or together with any age child, you can just play a music and just dance to its tunes, or you just make a musical note, or just prepare something interesting, cook something interesting together, or you can do exercise together or gardening together. Listen to them, look at them. This is the time when they will get your full attention, and this is the time when your camaraderie and relationship will be developed. Shouting at your children will make you and them both more stressed and more angrier. Try to get their attention by calling out their names. Stay calm in your voice. Whenever you get chance, try to praise them. Try to praise your teenager whenever they do something good. They may not show it to you, but they will just repeat that good thing again, and it will also reassure them that you also notice and care. Get real with your children. Try to set some realistic goals for them. You cannot expect your children to be quiet for the whole day, but yeah, for 15 minutes, they can stay quiet while you are on a call. Also help your teens to get connected with their friends through social media or other safe distancing social apps. You can also be the part of those conversations by keeping a watch on the same. My fourth tip is get structured. During this time, our routine has completely derailed. So try to fix in some new routines with some creative and exciting work so that your teenagers and your children get stuck to it. You can also just make a routine in such a way that should be flexible for them to just follow. But at the same time, it should not get boring and monotonous. You can just introduce a lot of exercises, you can introduce some online courses, you can just get on with their projects and homework, some art and craft work. Also, the regular sanitization and the hygiene related stuff, also you can make it more creatively. You can make a 20-second song for them when they just wash their hands. You can praise and give rewards on number of times when they wash their hands and sanitize themselves. So this way the whole day can be constructively utilized, and also the child will feel connected with you in some or the other way. The next tip is keeping children safe online during COVID-19. Children and teens spending a lot of time online being connected with their friends reduces the impact of COVID-19 and encourages them to live on with their life. But at the same time, it presents a lot of dangers and threats. Our children should be aware about the harmful content like violence, misogyny, xenophobia, self-harm, misinformation, etc. Create healthy and safe online habit. Help learn your children to keep their personal information private and not to share with anyone. Explore social media, websites, games and apps together. Create trusting relationships and open communication through positive support and encouragement. The most important tip is to plan the family budget during such times of financial crisis. Millions are stressed about money during COVID-19. We often get angry, argumentative, exhausted and distracted. When our children and teenagers, they ask for something and it leads to an argument. This situation can be coped up well when we just make a family budget and we also involve our children during making the budget. And make a list of the essential things which are needed for a month along with your children, so that they will also understand that what is the need and what is the want. They should have a clear understanding between the need and the want. Need is something which we need, like food, other commodities, groceries, medicines for us to survive. But what want is something which we really want to have, but it is not essential. So they should have an understanding between both the things and also allow them to make their own budget. So in this way, we can cope up with such stressful times when we are going through financial crunch. So the last tip for the day is listen to your children, be with them, let them feel safe and secure when you are around. Just motivate them, add to their confidence, have a deep conversations with them. Whenever they need you, just give them some time, just have fun and do some creative activities with them. Observe them, observe their distress, their mood swings, and whenever they need you, just lend a helping hand to them. I hope that you have liked parenting tips during COVID-19. Parents will get some help in order to engage their children and teenagers during this COVID-19 pandemic. Few of them were my personal experiences. I hope that you have liked today's video. If you have liked it, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Until then, bye, take care.